I am.
Umar, can you go?
Leos, are you like deaf or something? I'm
Mustafa.
repeating
Davis,
again and again.
Davis,
No,
Davis,
no,
do
no,
the
no.
registration.
I will not.
Yeah.
Yeah, he will do, he will do.
Okay, sure.
Davis Rich.
Okay, guys, we need to wait a second. Guys, baby, come here. See this face. We need this guy as a hostage in our next debate. Okay, he's the chief of staff.
Mm-hmm.
So,
After this, okay.
yo,
Yes, can.
Davis,
Yeah.
we have two of your police officers from the legal log, and
Okay.
our demands are clear. We are expecting 200k for the each one and total of 400k. We are giving you 2 minutes to go over there and decide and come back with your answer. There's no
Can I
other
Hostage
see
proof of
negotiation
life.
about that.
before that? Can I see some proof of life?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Guys,
Can
bring
do
one
it.
of your hostage. I will
Ah,
say,
no.
And also don't shoot guys. SSP. The requirements is on.
No. Where is the proof of life?
Nah,
yeah,
it's
they are
over.
still coming. Your officers are really dumb. They don't have the fear of their own life. I think, Davis, here is the first of the officer.
They want to talk with him, or
Okay.
have you
Can
seen the proof
you?
of life?
Yeah, I want to
Yes.
talk with him.
Okay.
Pass and leave him as a hostage.
You can talk
And
with
point
him.
a gun at her.
No need, no need. Like,
Okay,
out.
Baba. So, can I know from where were you taken as hostage?
From the last hostage situation, I was unconscious knocked there. They patched me up and they took me as a hostage from there.
Okay, so did they give you medical attention, food,
Yeah,
or did they abuse you in some way,
yeah.
rob
They,
you?
they were they yeah they robbed my 36k and
Actually,
they were abusing. They cut my fingers and they were also abusing.
okay.
They
First
cut
of all,
your
we didn't
fingers.
cut his
Okay.
fingers.
Yeah,
Wait,
and
wait.
this
We didn't
guy,
cut
the
his
chicken
fingers.
head,
First of all,
this
okay.
guy, the chicken head, and they also beat me.
Okay.
We haven't cut it
They they also
until
shot
now,
my
but
they
we'll
shot
cut it
they
soon
also
as he's like
they
very
also
sick.
shot me in my leg.
Yeah, we shot it at his
Okay.
leg because he was not
You
complying
were
with us.
running, that's why we shoot.
I was not
Okay.
complying. I was telling them
Ah,
out
yeah, yeah,
for
yeah.
the
Dude, I
guns
was not
because they.
complying.
Yeah, yeah,
they
yeah.
Okay, okay, same.
You were right.
listen,
You were
listen,
right.
bro. Let me talk.
Go on
Let
the
me
gov
talk.
side, mate. Like, what are you
They
talking
were,
about? Are you
they
like,
were,
go and
they
do
were
something?
abusing.
Just
I
stop
was
wasting
pulling
our
for
time.
the
Go on the
guns.
outside
That's
and
why they shot me.
Okay,
okay.
so do you want medical attention from?
Yeah, I want. I want
So
medical
here you
attention.
go, patching you up. Yep. So can I see the other proof of life?
Okay,
Sure,
don't
they
get
will be
upset.
back.
Okay, they right, Mr. Bill.
You guys bring the second proof of life, the hostage to the situation.
Okay, I'm gonna take guys
Pass it.
hostage.
Okay, so can I see your ID? Now. Yeah, I'll help you. Show me your ID.
Go to the flips.
Where you've been abused by them? Where you're given medical attention? Where you've been fed or given water to you? Okay, did they cut your fingers or do something like that? Okay,
I gave
so
him the chicken fingers. He ate them.
okay, you can take
So
him
we-
back.
We take you as a
Take him back, please.
awesome man, bro.
Guys, Shubham, come and take this hostage back. So just Hans, just raise your hands. Yeah, take the Shubham. So our demand is the same as we told you, 200k for each. That makes it 400k, and it is not negotiable from our end. You have to.
It will be negotiable, I guess, because you've cut fingers of one of our units. And
So
Okay.
didn't
actually, see, the thing is that she will be in mental distress and stuff like that. So
first of all
we need to
first of
stitch
all,
her hands, like fingers back. So guys, come on,
listen,
we
listen,
can do something.
Listen.
I
Hey,
can come
Mr.
back on
FIB,
that
FIB,
again
who
for
you
you.
are, okay? I don't know. Just we didn't cut his finger first of all, okay? We just shot it at his leg because he was not complying with us. That's it.
Yeah,
We
anyway,
haven't cut
anyway
his
she
finger.
say, anyway she say,
He's saying
you
he
shot
just
at
put
her.
fake
It's a mental
allegations.
distress.
Kashan,
Yeah,
I'm the
because
main
she's not
negotiator.
You
complaining.
shot at her. It's a
Kashan.
mental distress. So
Kashan,
come on,
can-
guys.
Kashan, go back.
Yeah, I
I'm
know you're a
negotiating.
man. You're the
Kashan,
on,
I
guys.
will get you. I will
Now.
get all the money. Just leave. Please.
See, there is a cute little lady here. Can I speak to her? Yeah. We can come to some arrangement.
The thing which you are doing with your helicopters just behind you, that doesn't take to any of the arrangements. I said.
Uh,
Actually, are blocking off our way.
Hey, my bad. Listen, like.
come on, guys. What are you doing? Take the heli out.
Hey, what are you thinking?
Take the heli out from
Take
here,
the
guys.
face out.
So for my demand, it was always
Yes, heli license.
listen, Davis. So for my demand is to
Take the heli out from here.
It 350. Come on. At least some
What is
compensation, bro. Come on.
even if you
Bro.
even if you go listen, even if you go to the best of the bestest psychiatrist and to the most best of the bestest plastic surgeon, they will take mostly over 5,000 each. That makes a 10,000 of the treatment for you women employed, which we have. So being a generous, I will give you the.
See, she's a woman. She has mental distress, and see, men can handle that, but women it takes much time.
I don't care.
You know, yeah. But we do care. That's the thing. So we are asking you to up lower price for a bit, like 350k. Come on, you can do it. I know you're a good guy in your heart. Let's do it.
I'm always a good guy, but women are always a cheater, so I don't care about that. The 400 is the last call. Otherwise, you know what we can do with the hostages. We are
Come
giving
on,
you.
guys. Let's
Listen, Davis.
reconsider. See.
No.
See.
Davis, I'm
We-
not
we all-
reconsidering it anyway.
See. We all know that women are cheaters, but there are good women also. So come on, not everyone. Like there are, in 100%, the 10% will be good. The other percentage, nah, I'm not gonna talk about them.
Davis, okay, here comes my offer that counters you. I'm ready for
Okay.
375k. But if there is an officer in a FIV, her name is Vanshika Leo. If she comes here and dances for me, the price will go for 350. Otherwise,
But
the
you
price
already
is still
given us,
400.
you have already given us two demands. That is, you asked money for two of them. So actually, that can be done.
So that's my demand. The money for two of them, 400k, nothing less than that.
You're saying about 375, so we'll close it at 370.
No, no, no.
How,
That
how
was
it
not.
works?
No, that
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
work that way. You told me
Yeah,
I have a
come.
two demands. It
See,
never
you
works for
already
the
said your two.
675.
See, you had two hostages. You have said
Okay.
two demands.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is
Davis,
200, 200. So we are
Davis.
speaking on money
Listen.
here. So let's
Yeah.
keep it on money.
You are okay. Let's listen to me. You are a government officer. You must be an honest guy. I'm a criminal. I
yeah.
may be a good at a heart, but I'm not honest. I
Same
can
problem.
turn my words into any way. So I'm just
Yeah.
saying I want a 400k. Yeah, I'm giving you like 2 minutes. Go back, discuss with your people, collect the money,
You
and
can't
come
change your
back.
demand, na?
Okay. So see, brother, let's come to a good negotiation. Come on, let's make it 370 as you said. 370. Let's reduce a little bit. We need to give her medical attention. We need to take her to psychiatrist and stuff like that. It costs a
That's
hell
a
lot of shit, bro.
that
Come on.
listen. That's a false cost for a 10k. I can give you a discount for 20k. 380k is my last offer.
3?
380k.
Let's make it 370, bro. Come on. I said it at
Davis.
350, and we are reducing it to 370. Come on.
So it's fine.
Davis, I have a whole day
Huh.
to stand here with you, but I guess you don't have a whole day.
Yeah, that's true.
So I just came down to 380. That's fine for both of us. Let's go back. 30k would
Yeah.
in your pocket. Madam.
I'll talk with
just-
the units. Okay.
Yeah, just go and collect the money and come
Yeah.
back. I expect that.
Next is you. Where
I'm Mr. Tao.
If I
Guys,
say
380. Do someone have 380?
Davis, how much you
Yeah.
have your hands? How much
60.
you have your hands?
60k.
Give it to me, give it to me.
Mustafa, place the bet again.
Or Davis, wait. Or Davis, wait.
So
I
what
give
will
you
we you want to
200.
do? Hello, Mr. SHP.
Dexter.
Yeah.
They have taken one of the Leo hostage from the old situation, so I don't think so that's possible.
Yeah, I'm asking Nizar for that. I'm
Just
waiting
call
for-
the wizard, just call the wizard. Because I don't think so that's possible. They can't take them from the current ongoing situation. There's a 2 hour, also speaking, there's a 2 hour time break for that.
I think results are not insane for. And I calling them when they started the negotiation. They are not insane.
What's your agenda? From where do you click? Male,
The other
female,
one
or
was
others?
also here as well.
and she got offended. So what should
He's
I
fucking
guess?
NPC.
Yeah, I just called her. Like, if she answers me this question, I will
Guys,
answer
come.
all of the questions.
No, just check your left eye, okay?
What's the situation?
You know me as a third X.
Me. Okay.
You steal my money, guys. That's not good. Give me some back. Hompe, you're saying that.
Family.
Just mention the name also.
Same
Guys, can
family.
you-
Like
Can
three
you come
times.
back?
Also now. Whom are you saying
my
that?
money.
Mr. SHP.
FIB, come back.
Wait. Money, what are you doing?
Hey, what the hell are you doing, man? Respect, okay?
Your members are killing yourself, buddy.
Yo, wait. Don't go. Yo, put your hand up. Wait here.
He's getting headache.
Guys, Lucky.
He's getting headache. You can continue.
Who's baby here?
My God, baby, who's your baby? But beef, come here. What are you saying? Yeah, I kill beef right now. That's why. You see, I kill this guy.
From my head.
They have such a nice family. They
You
kill
shut
each
up,
other.
okay? Whoever was saying. Bro, bro, listen. Bro, tell this newbie to shut the hell up, okay?
Guys, go back to
You
the
get
other
the
terrace.
food
Go
or-
back to the terrace, everyone. Okay. I'm
Hey,
just
no
leaving
worry.
Guys, use the 950.
No worry,
We
baby.
have money. We have money, guys.
They are coming, just wait.
Guys,
Hey,
come back.
hostage, you get
Guys,
some money.
guys, come back. Guys, come back.
Bro, yo.
Everyone be ready for 10 seconds. Bro, hurry, give them money, bro.
FIB,
Guys. Yeah, holding. Guys, we want to hold for. Put a barricade. Guys, put a barricades. Guys, put a barricades.
everyone call for a wizard. Everyone.
Guys, code B.
They are killing themselves, bro. The fuck is that? Yeah, we gonna take the advantage, I think so.
Yes.
They had a fight between them. Let's go.
What happened, guys?
Bro, the results are not
Okay, loud and clear.
Call FIB back.
These are shit
Call the
guys.
FIB
Don't worry.
officers back.
We wanna fuck
The
this guy.
whole. We are,
Guys, one hostage got code A. We have only one right now.
Yeah, I know.
oh my god, come on, really?
That's coming for you.
Which one they are having?
Is it?
They're
Let's go,
having the
let's go,
officer,
guys.
I guess.
Let's go. You can tell.
We can do that if you don't.
Yeah, that's why we are doing code B. So we have to wait.
The
We just do, bro.
Wizard is here.
Yeah.
I think so.
We used to speak this.
To wizard
These
if
are
you I just issue like can you come down? Bro, and you know code B is not like that. If the code is here, then the code B. It's not up to you. You can say the code B is not like that. You know. You can call if you call the if you call someone if he did not like tell you we are I'm here. You can't say the code B.
Bro, first of all, learn some rules. Like, bro, you
Bro,
can't
I
take
know
previous
the
one.
rules. I know the rules, bro. I know the rules. Okay.
You
Don't
can't
think
take a hostage from a
we
previous
can-
situation.
we
So
If you know the rules, bro, if you know the rules, you can't take hostage.
If you know the rules, you have two house rules down for another hostage situation.
which rule break is this? Tell me.